San Businesswala, and I'm a student and assistant facilitator at Rehan School Lahore campus, level 1 student
Okay.
bachelor, and I am currently from Lahore, Pakistan. So this is my short introduction, and hello everybody, and hello Miles.
Hey, nice to meet everyone tuning in, and hello to you too. Level 1 at Rayhan School, Lahore. Sounds good. What are we diving into on the live stream today?
Okay, so first of all,
Take your time.
today my topic is how to build an online
All right,
port,
building an online
port
profile.
Portfolio 2026 Step-by-Step Guide to Attract Clients.
Okay, a portfolio, a step-by-step guide to attract clients in 2026. Makes sense. So, what's the first thing you want to tackle with that?
Okay,
Like, where do you
so
even start?
okay, so
Yeah?
first of all, my first question is what is an online portfolio?
Good place to start. An online portfolio is essentially a website or a curated selection of work showcased online that demonstrates your skills and experience. It's like a digital resume, but way more visual and interactive. It's how you show, not just tell potential clients what you can do. Does that make sense?
Okay,
Yeah,
so my next question is why portfolio is important?
that's a good one. A portfolio is important because honestly, most clients aren't going to just take your word for it. They want to see what you're capable of, builds trust, shows your style, lets them quickly assess if you're a good fit for their project. Plus, it helps you stand out from all the other freelancers or professionals out there. It's proof of your skills, right?
Okay, right.
Anything else about that, or should we move
Yes,
on?
yes, I am here. So my next question is who needs a portfolio?
Good question. Pretty much anyone who wants to get hired for their skills, honestly. Specifically, it's essential for creatives, designers, writers, photographers, videographers, but also useful for developers, marketers, consultants, anyone who can show their work rather than just describe it. Basically, if you want to attract clients online, you need a portfolio. Does that cover it?
Okay, so um my next question is what is digital portfolio? Digital.
Okay, so a digital portfolio is just an online version of a traditional portfolio. Instead of carrying around a physical binder of your work, it lives on the internet. It can be a website you build yourself, a profile on a platform like Behance or Dribble, or even a curated collection of links to projects you've worked on. It's accessible to anyone, anytime, which is a huge advantage.
Okay, so my uh, next question is what is personal branding?
Okay, personal branding. It's essentially how you present yourself to the world and what people think of when they hear your name. But it's about defining what makes you unique and communicating that consistently across all your online platforms, your portfolio, social media, even how you respond to emails. It's about building a reputation and becoming known for something specific. Does that land?
Yes. So my next question is how portfolio helps freelancers.
Ugh.
Freelancers.
Right, specifically for freelancers. Okay, a portfolio is huge for freelancers. It's your main marketing tool. Since you're often working without the brand recognition of a company, your portfolio demonstrates your skills and builds trust with potential clients. It can land you higher paying gigs, show off your range, and basically replace the need for a traditional resume in many cases. It shows you're serious and professional. It's a game changer.
Okay. So my next question is what is first impression in portfolio?
Ooh, good question. First impressions are huge, especially online. And a portfolio, that means having a clean professional design, easy navigation, and showcasing your best work right up front. It's about immediately grabbing the visitor's attention and making them want to see more. Think about it like a storefront. You want it to look inviting and represent your brand well. It's got to be visually appealing and easy to understand within the first few seconds.
Okay, so my next question is what is portfolio purpose?
Okay, the purpose of a portfolio is pretty straightforward to showcase your best work and convince potential clients or employers to hire you. It's about demonstrating your skills, experience, and style in a visually compelling way. It's a tool for landing opportunities and building your career. And it's proof you can deliver.
Okay, so my next question is
All right, hit me with it.
what is professional presentation?
Professional presentation when it comes to a portfolio is about making sure everything looks polished and credible. That means high quality images or videos of your work, a clean and easy to navigate design, consistent branding, and error free writing. It's about showing you pay attention to detail and take your work seriously. Basically, you want it to look like someone who knows what they're. You're welcome. Glad I could help. What's the next question on your list? Or are you wanting to take a little pause before diving back in?
Okay, so my next question is next
Let's
question.
hear it.
Okay, so my next question is what is sorry. My question is how portfolio attracts clients.
Okay, good one. A portfolio attracts clients by visually demonstrating your abilities. It's not just telling them you're good, it's showing them. Potential clients can see the quality of your work, your style, and if you understand their needs. A strong portfolio builds trust, showcases your expertise, and makes you stand out from the competition. It basically acts as a 24/7 salesperson for your skills. Does that make sense?
Wonderful. So my next question is how to plan a portfolio.
Okay, planning a portfolio. That's key. First, figure out your niche. What kind of work do you want to attract? Then curate your best pieces that showcase those skills. Think about the layout, the design, keep it clean and easy to navigate. Plan to include a clear about me section and contact information. And finally, consider what platform to use, a website builder, Behance, Dribble. There's a bit of strategy involved, but starting with your target client in mind is a good first step. Okay.
Okay, nice. So my next question is what to include in portfolio. What to
Right, what to include?
include in portfolio.
Okay, so for your portfolio, you definitely want to include your best work. Obviously, that might be finished projects, case studies, or even personal projects that showcase your skills. Include high quality images or videos, a clear description of each project, your role, the challenges, and the results. Also, an About Me section with your experience and expertise. And most importantly, make it easy for people to contact you. A contact form or email address is crucial. It's all about making a good impression and showing potential clients what you can do.
Okay, nice. So my next question is what is niche selection? Niche selection.
Ah, niche selection. That's important. A niche is a specific area of expertise. So instead of being a general designer, you might be a logo designer for eco friendly brands or a website developer specializing in e commerce. Picking a niche helps you target a specific audience, become an expert in that area, and stand out from the competition. It makes your portfolio more focused and attracts clients who are looking for exactly what you offer. Does that make sense?
Yes, makes sense. So my next question is how to choose specialization.
Okay, choosing a specialization. Think about what you genuinely enjoy doing, what you're good at, and what's in demand. Research what areas are growing and have good earning potential. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different things. It's also helpful to look at your existing skills and see how you can refine them to fit a specific need. Basically, find the sweet spot where your passion, skills, and market demand intersect. It's kind of like finding your superpower.
Okay, so my next question is what is target audience?
Good question. Your target audience is the specific group of people you want to attract as clients. It's about understanding who they are, what their needs are, and what problems you can solve for them. Are you targeting small businesses, large corporations, or individuals? What's their industry, budget, and style? Knowing your target audience helps you tailor your portfolio and messaging to appeal specifically to them. It's about speaking their language and showing them how you can help them achieve their goals.
Okay, so my next question is how to define your skills.
Okay, defining your skills. That's about really taking stock of what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. Make a list of all your technical skills, like specific software, or coding languages. Then think about your soft skills, like communication, problem solving, and creativity. Be specific and honest about your strengths and weaknesses. It's okay not to be an expert in everything. Focusing on your core strengths is what will attract the right clients.
Okay, so my next question is what is content structure?
Okay, content structure. It's about how you organize the information on your portfolio website. You want it to be logical and easy to navigate. Typically, that means having a clear homepage, an About Me page, a portfolio page showcasing your work, and a contact page. Within your portfolio page, you might categorize your projects by type or industry. Think about user experience, make it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for quickly. A well structured portfolio shows you're organized and professional.
Okay, so my next question
Bring it on.
is next question is what is portfolio layout?
Uh, hey, what's next? What's next? Okay, portfolio. That's the visual design of your portfolio, how everything is arranged on the page. You want a clean, modern, and professional look. Use high quality images, consistent branding, and plenty of white space. Make sure it's responsive, meaning it looks good on all devices, like computers, tablets, and phones. Keep it simple and focus on showcasing your work. The layout should enhance your work, not distract from it.
Okay, so my next question is how to organize projects.
All right, organizing projects. There are a few ways to do it. You can organize them chronologically by project type, like web design, logo design, writing samples, or by industry. A good approach is to feature your best, most relevant work at the top. Consider using categories or tags to make it easy for visitors to filter projects. The goal is to make it simple for them to find examples of work that match their needs.
Okay, wonderful. So my next question is um, what is portfolio strategy?
Okay, portfolio strategy. Just thinking about the bigger picture. It's about aligning your portfolio with your career goals. What kind of clients do you want to attract? What message do you want to convey? Your strategy should guide your project selection, layout, and overall presentation. It's not just about showing off your work, it's about strategically presenting yourself to achieve your goals. It's thinking, what do I want this portfolio to do for me?
Okay, so my next question is how to build portfolio from zero.
Okay, building a portfolio from zero. It can seem daunting, but it's definitely doable. First, decide on a platform, a website builder like Squarespace or Wix, or a platform like Behance. Then, start gathering your best work, even if it's personal projects. If you don't have much work yet, consider doing some free or low cost projects to build up your portfolio. Focus on quality over quantity. Once you have a few solid pieces, start building your website and crafting your About Me section. And don't be afraid to iterate and improve as you go. It's a process.
Okay, nice. So my next question is what is simple work?
Simple word. Hmm. Can you clarify what you mean by that? Are you asking for a simple word to describe something specific or?
Yes.
Okay. Still a little vague. Could you give me a little more context? What are we trying to find a simple word for?
Okay, so my next question. So my next question is how to create dummy
All right.
project. How to create dummy project.
Okay. How to create dummy projects. Good questions. A dummy project is basically a fake project you create to showcase your skills when you don't have real client work yet. Think of a website redesign for a fictional company, a logo for a made up brand, or a blog post on a topic you're interested in. Treat it like a real project, put in the effort and attention to detail. It's a great way to fill gaps in your portfolio and demonstrate your abilities. There are even prompts online if you need inspiration.
Okay, good. So my next question is what is practical work?
Okay, practical work. That refers to projects you've done for actual clients with real world constraints and expectations. It's different from dummy projects because it demonstrates your ability to deliver results in a professional setting. Practical work shows you can handle deadlines, communicate with clients, and solve real problems. It's often the most valuable thing to include in your portfolio.
Okay, so my next
All
question
right,
is next question is how to showcase skills without clients.
okay, how to showcase skills without clients. That's a common challenge. Dummy projects are a great start, as we discussed. Also consider contributing to open source projects, participating in design challenges, or creating personal projects that demonstrate your abilities. You can also write blog posts or create tutorials showcasing your expertise. The key is to be proactive and create opportunities to demonstrate your skills, even if you don't have paying clients yet. Show, don't just tell.
Okay, so my next question is what is self project?
Okay. A self project is a project you initiate and complete on your own, usually to learn a new skill, explore a creative idea, or add to your portfolio. It's different from client work because you have complete control over the project and can choose something that genuinely interests you. It's a great way to experiment, showcase your creativity, and build your skills without the constraints of a client brief. Think of it as a passion project that also benefits your career.
Okay, so my next question is how to gain confidence.
Okay, how to gain confidence. That's a big one. Start by focusing on your strengths and celebrating your accomplishments, no matter how small. Practice your skills regularly and seek out feedback from trusted sources. Remember that everyone starts somewhere, and it's okay to make mistakes. Embrace those mistakes as learning opportunities. And finally, surround yourself with supportive people who believe in you. Confidence comes from competence and practice.
Okay, so my next question is how to sorry my next question is what beginner strategy.
Okay, a beginner strategy for building a portfolio. All right, I'd say start small. Focus on 3 to 5 really strong pieces rather than trying to include everything you've ever done. Prioritize quality over quantity. Choose a simple, easy to use platform. Get feedback from friends or mentors. Don't be afraid to iterate and improve your portfolio over time. And remember, the goal is to showcase your potential, not to be perfect. Just get something up there and start.
Okay, so my next question is how to improve quality.
Okay, improving quality. That's great. You're thinking about that. First, get feedback from others. Ask trusted friends, mentors, or even online communities to review your work. Second, study the work of professionals you admire, what makes their portfolios effective. Third, pay attention to detail, proofread your text, ensure your images are high resolution, and make sure everything looks polished. Fourth, be honest about your skills and only showcase work you're proud of. Finally, remember that quality is subjective, but a clear, concise, and well presented portfolio is always a good start.
Okay, so my next question is what is learning by doing.
Okay, learning by doing. It's a really effective way to learn. It means gaining knowledge and skills not through just reading or listening, but by actually actively engaging in the process, by tackling projects, experimenting, and making mistakes. It's about hands on experience. It's much more effective than just passively absorbing information. It's how you truly internalize skills and build confidence. You learn by actually doing the work.
Okay, so my next question is, uh,
Let's hear it.
what platform are used for portfolio?
Okay, good question. There are a lot of options. Some popular platforms for portfolios include Squarespace and Wix, website builders, easy to use, lots of templates. Behance, great for creative fields, huge community. Dribble, popular with designers. WordPress, more flexible but requires more technical knowledge. Adobe Portfolio, simple and integrated with Adobe Creative Cloud. GitHub Pages, good for developers. It's the best platform for you, depends on your skills, budget, and the type of work you want to showcase. For beginners, Squarespace or Behance are often good choices.
Okay, so my next question is what is website portfolio?
Okay, a website portfolio. It's essentially a dedicated website that showcases your work and skills. It gives you the most control over the design and content, allowing you to create a personalized brand experience. You can include multiple pages, a blog, and a contact form. It's a more professional option than using a platform like Behance or Dribble, especially if you want to establish yourself as a serious freelancer or professional. It's your own little corner of the internet to show off what you can do.
Okay, so my next question is how to use LinkedIn port profile.
Okay, how to use LinkedIn for your portfolio and professional profile. Good question. First, make sure your profile is complete and up to date. Include a professional headshot, a compelling summary, and detailed descriptions of your experience and skills. You can directly upload examples of your work to your profile, such as images, videos, and documents. Share articles and insights related to your field to establish yourself as a thought leader. Connect with people in your industry and engage in relevant discussions. LinkedIn is a great way to network, find opportunities, and showcase your expertise. It's basically a professional social network.
Okay, so my next question is uh, what is
Bring
behind.
it on!
Okay, so my next question is what is GitHub portfolio?
Okay, GitHub. So, GitHub is a web based platform used primarily for version control and collaboration in software development. It's where developers store their code, track changes, and work together on projects. You could think of it as a social network for programmers. It's also a fantastic place to showcase your coding projects and build a portfolio as a developer. Even if you're not a coder, it's a great place to see what other developers are working on.
Okay, wonderful and nice. So my next question is what is portfolio builder tool?
Okay, a portfolio builder tool. That's basically a website or software designed to help you create a portfolio website quickly and easily, often without needing any coding knowledge. Some popular options include Squarespace, Wix, Adobe Portfolio, and Format. These tools typically offer pre designed templates, drag and drop interfaces, and hosting services, making it simple to create a professional looking portfolio. They handle the technical aspects so you can focus on showcasing your work.
Okay, so my next question is how to design portfolio website.
Okay. How to design a portfolio website. All right, a few key things: keep it clean and simple, avoid clutter, prioritize visuals, use high quality images and videos, make it easy to navigate, clear menus and intuitive layout, ensure it's mobile responsive, looks good on all devices. Showcase your best work prominently. Include a clear call to action, tell visitors how to contact you. And finally, keep your branding consistent, use the same colors, fonts, and style throughout. Think of it as an online representation of your professional brand.
Okay, so wonderful. So,
Yes?
so thank you everyone for watching my AI session with Miles. So, if you enjoy, so you can like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you want to like this video, so you can like, subscribe, and click on our notifications, so you can receive all my AI session with Miles. Okay, so thank you everybody, and thank you Miles for your motivation and good conversation with me. Okay, Miles, bye bye, and everybody, bye bye.
Nope. All right. Well, it was a really fun session, and you did great leading that live stream. Thanks for having me, and I'm glad I could help. Have a good one. Bye.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.